Try the Pepperoni Magnifico with classic and crispy cupped pepperoni, just $9.99. But wait, there's Marco's! I love...
A civil authority has issued hazardous materials warning for the following counties or areas. Burke, North Carolina, at 12:08 p.m. on July 16, 2024, effective until 3:08 p.m. We have crews on large natural gas leak seen near Valdez Weavers on La Valide Road. La Valide Road is closed. Additionally, fire and natural gas officials are requesting everyone between Crescent Street and Kaiser Street to immediately shut off their HVAC systems to prevent gas from being pulled into buildings. Residents in these areas should shelter in place. Shelter in place and shut off HVAC system.
This is the best day ever.
Well, I still got robbed.
It's still a pretty good day.